Los Angeles approach confirmed.
Yeah. Steve Harvey. What's up, brother? You know, man, you're my favorite comedian. Yeah. No, not because you're black. No, I'm not like you who vote. You said you will vote Obama because he is black. Yeah, I love you because you're smart. You're a good guy. As Obama is a good guy. So. What? To be in your show, I should work out hard? Come on, I'm black. Even if I'm black, you are black. Just invite me to come to your show. No, even if I'm black, I should work out hard. Yeah, I'm going to do it, okay? I'm going to make it happen. I'm going to work hard, Steve Harvey. Come. I'm going to work hard. Bye. I'm going to Steve Harvey's show in this month. Oh, Steve Harvey, I'm coming. Give me one more. One more week. I promise you, Steve, I'm going to work hard. I will.